Gaby from What's Gaby Cooking inspired us to make this goat cheese pizza, which she prepared in her own oven, which is the Fontana oven, and she inspired us to do the same. So here I am cutting up a little bit of cayenne pepper that we will use on top of the pizza. From the basil that we picked in our garden, we made some beautiful pesto with pine nuts in it. And what we're gonna top it with is some of these cherry size mozzarella, and then this herbed goat cheese. Also decided to put some sun-dried tomatoes on it and a few pine nuts. We're gonna dust our work surface. And I believe this one we will just stretch by hand. And the way you do that is you kind of overlap your hands and you go around the circumference of our dough ball and then begin to stretch it. And there are several different ways to doing this. We can stretch it a bit more. One can also pick it up and then just kind of like gravity pull down on it. And as we go around, we can stretch it a bit. Just being careful not to rip the dough. Now we can also pick it up and kind of with a fist like this, go around and further stretch it. Now as the base, we're going to put some of this pesto on there. And oh, does it smell good? There is absolutely nothing like fresh pesto. And if you would like to make it yourself, we have a link in the recipe for pesto. Look at this. Already this looks wonderful. So here are the ciliegine, that means little cherries in Italian. We're gonna split them in half and just kind of place them here and there, spread them out. And when she made it, it looked so incredibly delicious, so we can't wait to make it as well. And let's see, maybe one more piece right here. And then the goat cheese. So we're gonna put little dollops around as well. Oh, this is gonna be so good. And then one little piece right here. And now we're going to top it off with these beautiful sun-dried tomatoes. Oh, look at this. My mouth is watering right now. It's gonna be a little mini pizza. And to top it all off, a nice sprinkling of these pine nuts, which already are present inside the pesto. I almost forgot. Here is some of this peperoncino, this cayenne pepper. And if you do use it, just make sure you wash your hands before you rub your face. This is our perforated peel, and these holes are absolutely perfect to get rid of excess flour. So what you do is you place it right here at the edge and just kind of swoop under, and this is ready to go into the oven. It is very simple to turn the oven on. So this is the button, the ignition button. You're gonna press in, turn the ignition on, and always make sure to have the oven door open so gas doesn't fill the oven chamber. You wait a few seconds and then the fire is lit. While the oven heats up, the damper also needs to be closed. And then while you're baking the pizzas, if the top cooks too quickly, then you can slightly open it up. So this is a great way to kind of gauge the temperature inside the oven. The stones that come with the oven, the ideal temperature is around 750 degrees to bake pizza. But these are the Saputo stones, so we can go up to 900 degrees. Let's see our temperature in here. Well, we're right at 900 degrees. Actually can go even up to 1,000 degrees, but for baking pizza, 900 degrees is perfect. Our pizza is going in. We'll lay the peel down and just kind of jerk back, and there it is. With the help of this turning peel, you simply slide it under the pizza and then rotate so it can cook evenly on all sides. Some even pull it out and turn it manually like that. Our pizza is ready to come out. And here we go. Look at this beauty. On top of it, we will put just a few more hot pepper flakes or little slices. We like some heat to it. And then a few fresh basil leaves. There we go. And why not maybe even a few more pine nuts. And to top it all off, a quick drizzle of balsamic vinegar. Look at this. This will be absolutely delicious. I'm gonna cut. And we're immediately gonna serve a slice, and we are going to wish you un buon appetito.